Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a beautiful quality ring, I highly recommend this one from THELANDA. This is their Twisted Vine sterling silver ring, and it is gorgeous. This ring is sterling silver. It's a 2.5 millimeter band, and the stones on it are genuine moissanites. You cannot tell the difference between a moissanite and a diamond to the naked eye. They sparkle and shine beautifully in the sun, whether you're indoors or outdoors. It's also sturdy and shiny. You can wear it every day. You can pair it with the matching THELANDA engagement ring as you see here. It's unlike other items in the sense that all of the stones in this ring are moissanites. They sparkle just like a diamond. You can see here that it is absolutely beautiful. I really like also that this ring is lead-free and nickel-free. It is a perfect gift if you want to get it for somebody else or you want to get yourself a gift. Go ahead, treat yourself. It feels luxurious, and I am so happy that I have this ring I can wear in my hand. And that is my point of view.